Good morning, students. The other day I discussed about non-profit organizations, and I told you the meaning of non-profit organization, and then I discussed about the trust, I discussed about the societies, and I discussed about the non-profit companies. And in today's class, I'm just going to discuss about the commercial organizations, and definitely all of you are knowing the meaning of commercial organizations. The commercial organizations are those organizations basically which undertakes commercial activities. And earlier I taught you what is the commercial activities. Basically the commercial activities are divided into two parts. One is trade and the other is aids to trade. And then I told you what you mean the trade, yes or no? So commercial activities, basically once more, commercial activities means the activities which undertakes for commercial activities. What is commercial activities? Commercial activities are those activities basically which has been performed for the purpose of earning profit or earning money. Those kinds of activities are called commercial activities. And in today's class, I am going to discuss the commercial activities are of different types on the basis of ownership. So according to the owner, the commercial activities or commercial organizations are divided into three parts. One is called private sector enterprise, second is called public sector enterprises, and the last one is called joint sectors enterprises. Before I am going to discuss about the different types of commercial organizations as per the ownership. You know the meaning of owner. Who is the owner? Basically, what is the responsibility of owner? Owner basically provide the capital to the organization. He basically managed the organizations and the organization runs as per the rules and regulations basically established by the owner. So here now I am coming here once more. What is commercial organization? Commercial organizations are those organizations which basically undertakes commercial activities. Now what is commercial activity? Any activities what has been performed by the human beings for the purpose of earning money, those types of activities are called commercial activities. Now these commercial activities are performed. So on the basis of ownership, these commercial organizations are divided into three parts. First one is called private sector enterprises, second one is called public sector enterprises, and the third one is called joint sector enterprises. Now what is private sector enterprises? Private sector enterprises are those types of commercial organization which basically own, controlled and financed by a single businessman. What's my beta? So private sectors enterprises are those types of commercial organizations which are basically owned, controlled and financed by a private businessman. That means this type of organizations, whatever profit comes, that profits comes to that private businessman. Whatever is controlling income, that control is made by that private businessman. Yes or no? That's then whatever capital he contributed, that capital is also been contributed by that private businessman. So those kind of commercial organizations are called private sector enterprises. Now I am coming to the public sector enterprises. These public sector enterprises are also a kind of commercial organizations which is basically run, owned, controlled and financed by the government. Either the state government or the central government or both the government together. When it is run by the government, definitely their first motive is to provide different kind of service to the public of this society or not. Here, the finance, the capital has been contributed by who? Contributed by the government. It is managed by either the state government or the central government or both the government together. So I hope it is clear to you what is private. It is run by a private businessman. Everything has been controlled by the private businessman. Now when I come to the public sectors, it is everything, the finance, the control, how to work, what to do, everything is managed by either the state government or the central government or both the government together. And at last, I am coming about joint sectors enterprises. Now this kind of enterprises, joint, you know the meaning of joint means where the public is also involved, that means the government is involved, the private sectors are also involved. Those types of commercial organizations are called joint sectors enterprises. Like here, ownership, control and management is shared jointly by the government, the private enterprises and the public at large. इसका कोई भी काम, that means why public they said, like in joint sectors enterprises the capital is contributed by the government also. The capital is contributed by the public also in the form of share. So you, me, anyone can buy the share, and whatever profit comes, definitely the profit is been shared not only to the anyone, it will be shared among the shareholders also. That is why those types of organizations are called joint sectors enterprises. Once more, what is joint sectors? Its ownership, control and management is shared jointly by the government, the private enterprises and the public enterprises. Now you may have a question, how public enterprise do this? By buying what? By buying the share. When you buy the share, you are the shareholder of the organizations. And as a shareholder, definitely you are also supposed to take part in the decision making of the organizations. And the profit, whatever they earn, that is being shared to their shareholders also. Okay, so in today's class, I discussed about the meaning of commercial organization. Commercial organizations are those organizations which basically undertake commercial activities. And you know the meaning of commercial activities. Commercial activities are those activities which has been performed by the human beings for the purpose of earning money. And these commercial activities, on the basis of ownership, they are divided into three parts. One is called private sector enterprises, second is called public sector enterprises, and the third one is called joint sectors enterprises. And in today's class, I told you what is private sectors enterprises, what is public sectors enterprises, and what is joint sectors enterprises, beta. For the syllabus, you must know the meaning of commercial activities, and you know on the basis of ownership what the meaning. And if you know the meaning, easily you can write their features also or the characteristics also, beta. Okay, I hope I made it clear to you. Thank you so much for today's class.